Let's talk finishing steps with Magix Dust Finishing Powder in Translucent. It is a talc-free, mineral-infused, invisible loose powder that blends effortlessly onto your skin, helping you with long-wear makeup and shine control. Its weightless formula diffuses light and visibly blurs the look of fine lines and pores. It gives you a soft, silky finish without ever looking cakey. All you do with recommended use is you would take a powder brush and then just dab it in there, give it a little tap, and just press and roll in those areas that you know you need to set. So simple, and the shine is gone. And just like that, you got that filtered look that we all love. And again, throw it in your bag for that touch up on the go.